Like I said, as far as my hand, I have good days and bad days, and I had 3 good days, and I was so happy. I'm like, oh yay, my hand's healing. And today I had to take a pill. I'm trying not to take those pills because the side effect is headaches. So it's an anti-inflammatory, a very strong anti-inflammatory. It's very frustrating. I did get a letter saying they're reviewing my case, so hopefully that's going to get taken care of. But I did want to say that I was going to try because my nail broke. Look at this. It's a stub all the way down. Um, this one too. It broke in the corner all the way down. Um, so I just cut that most of them. I cut my thumb down. This one's really my longest nail. I cut my thumb down and I went to go finally use that gel, the Ask gel for nails, and I think you remember the day that I showed it. I took a pill that morning because it hurts. You know, for me to be filing, it takes a lot of buffing and filing. I said, okay, let me try this thing. I took a pill and it was a waste. I couldn't use it because it has a USB charger. So I'm like, what? I gotta borrow one of my kids' laptops or my husband's laptops? Well, my daughter has a laptop and my husband has a laptop. My son and I don't. But that's gonna be pain in the neck because then I'm gonna have to put the laptop into the wall, and since this apartment's very small, it's hard to get to the sockets. So I was very frustrated, and I was watching online. I couldn't find anything. Then out of nowhere, I finally found something where it was saying that you need an external battery. My daughter has two, so she gave me one. But I was so frustrated. I just did my nails regular. I did put the regular gel, which is still going to take some filing. But when you just put the regular gel without the wraps, it's really not too much filing that needs to be done because you're just coating it like you would do a nail polish. But of course, that chips as usual. And I was trying to stop this one from breaking because it was really, really low. But this was last a week and a half ago, and so it grew out enough and then it's just kept lifting and lifting and lifting. So she gave me the external battery, so I'm gonna try it. I don't know when. At some point, I'm gonna try it. But yeah, I mean, it hurts because you have to file your nails, so my hand hurts. Um, and you gotta put pressure. Even sometimes even painting them or filing, even just to paint this side, it hurts. I'm like really frustrated because I thought I was getting better, and I don't know what happened, and it just started getting bad again. I just waiting to hear what happens with the review, but anyway,